Chat. Wanna see title? Wanna see thumbnail? Yeah. It's about that time, to be honest. It's about that time. So, I am leaving. Oh, man. No, but seriously. I sure know what I want. All I closing come out I closet. Showing the closet empty. I just like some sweaters. I'm not gonna really bring no sweaters. I pack up the shoes them. Put them in the suitcase or something. Bro. You know, what can I say? It was fun. But, you know, I leave now. Anyways, so we're in our next clip here, man. I know, the thing is, all of them are shoes, I want to get things me up, expect for the blue one. I don't know how everything I can hold in the suitcase. Everything definitely can hold in the suitcase. So I'm going to leave some shoes until I come back. You see me? And just bring down some. Most of them are stuff here. I like sweaters and jackets. I mean, I probably never bring some of them because like, whatever, I don't know. And clothes I never wear it in a bag same way. All that shit, but yeah, pack up. Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow. Oh my, what I'm glad for the camera. I am leaving tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I never thought I would be saying that shit, but I'm leaving tomorrow, guys. Yeah. Alright, I forward back as you can see. New hairstyle, fresh hairstyle. And I know what time it is. It is 10:49, the 5th of March. And I know I'm not pack nothing in the suitcase because my dad has some other stuff in the house. And I have some more things pack up or something if you pack up right now, I'm confused. Anyways, I'm gonna start pack up my suitcase them and just me link when I'm done. You see me? But yeah, that is it. Me show now what I got. Half an hour after. Yeah. Anyways, this shit take me how long, bro? As you can see how this pump up. I have to force it down. I couldn't record. I have to force this down there back. And then me have so much things I have to go in night. So much things I have to bring with me. Underpants them, marina, hat, and I say, shoes them. I only have that space left. Right now, I don't know what I'm going to do. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I have all some packs of stuff there, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But so far, again, I'm going to keep work. So far. That's all I can That's all I can fit in there. But I don't know what to do with him. Anything that can hold us off to the left at this point, to be honest. Oh, so right now, I can't bother. You know some socks. I don't know if I must carry them or not. So it is 3:25 in the morning. I'm gonna get no sleep. I'm gonna clean up the mirror and then that's it. Then I'm gonna go to spot back. You know this one? Until I come back. Because the suitcase cannot hold anything more, and the bag full up. As in my PS5 and thing like this, so take them down and I leave somebody watch them cologne. I put on cologne and then I go bring down one of the cologne, well, two of them, and leave the rest. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, I still cannot believe it, bro. Oh my god, still can't believe it. But Yeah, chat. The time has come. the time come. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower, probably get ready, because I'm gonna leave by in the next hour time. So I'm gonna take a shower and get ready and make sure something else is not more important. There's a stuff them can leave, like I said, until I fall back. Whenever I do. Yeah, that's it. Alright, ready now. 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock. Ready now. Go for jump out and up on the road, take on the road, isn't it? Yeah. Right now. Still can't believe it. I cut in time, but I cut in times chat. Yeah, boy. But anyways, I'm gonna leave. Up on the way, I got the airport. I wouldn't reach at the airport. I would have a meeting for the back, isn't it? I'm not gonna know what really are going and all of that shit, so soon talk to him. Bro, out of the cool. And you know, I never did go wear no sweater. Or put on one thumb and one mindset, Brad. Put on a thumb and a sweater. Bro, show no. Bro, look at that shit, bro. Brother, look at yo, out of cold, you fuck. Jaja. But, anyways, I just carry out the bag then. Carry out my bag. I go for the suitcase. And then that should be it. It's about 15 after 4. So, if I leave by 4:30, and it's like a couple hour drive for you got the airport. So, yeah. So, anyways, suitcase in the back of the car. Yeah, suitcase in the back of the car. And I'm going to take in a little view, yeah. See that? I'm going to take in a little scenery. Oh, for a while. Oh shit. I need my lip gloss. Why? Pause. My chopstick in the fucking bag in the car. I can't have to dig up that. I go in the house and see if now I pull one in because out of the cold and my lip already feels dry. So, yeah, chat. I go in the house now and finalize up. Make sure I have every little thing. And then leave to go to the airport. Bro, I can't believe I actually said this. Oh my god, but yeah, I leave I know, you know? I'm leaving, bro. Damn. So chat, over there at the gas station, I get some gas. Bro, look out the door, man. Out the door, terrible, bro. But yeah, we're at top of the gas. Full tank, you see me? There at the gas station. Try to get some gas. I think about if I go inside and go get something, buy something to eat, but probably wait until I got the airport because we don't have more options. In the saw that's probably like sandwich and tea and then something. I'm not want that right now. I eat probably something different. You see me? But yeah. $21 chat. So we're at the airport right now. We're at the airport parking lot. I know my hand them cold and free. I left one bag in the back of the car. So I have to come back for it. Go and take it out and then go back up and go check in. And then yeah, that's about it. So the phone bag. But yeah, chat, boy, I'm not telling no lie still. Go miss the place. Go miss the place, man, but you know, I just feel time. Just for a period of time, quick and fast. The time go run off and you're going to back in a place again. Me just get used to. You know, when you're there somewhere for like a while, you get used to your place. And that with me right now. I get used to your place, you see me? So it's like right now, if you left, you come like I left your yard, go somewhere else. Even though I left my yard, come somewhere else. If I get with my assistant. But yeah, when I reach upstairs and check in the back and some style, me link on the back. Because I kind of hear to reach back upstairs. So guys, they're at the airport and they are going to wait upon a time to board. Yeah? They're going to start boarding in the next 15 minutes. So yeah, 15 minutes time for now. The time 6:16. So yeah, but it's not that everything is going good. We just need to board. It's a 2-hour flight. So by about 9, supposed to reach Montego. And then that's that. Yeah, then that's that. But the update on it, when we reach Montego. Alright, so guys, why me reach? But now I walk to find a place where baggage them there. Right now I'm tired as hell, bro. Alright, no joke. Sorry, I never get a chance for like video up on the plane and so forth. It was a small ass plane, bro. It was like a 2-seat, like a 2-row seat, you know, normally go up on a big plane and I like 3-row seat on each side. It was 2-row seat on each side. Plane was small as hell, and then it was a short flight. I'm not gonna lie, I did drop asleep and wake up. When I wake up, I hear them say, we are gonna land. I was like, what the hell? But yeah, when they're at the airport, I claim, I go for my bag them. And then, that's gonna be it, guys. I'm not telling no lie, I'm probably gonna end the video also. Because I'm tired and there's not much more for videos, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so if I don't make it this far in the video, I know say I'm in New York. So I never really want to tell you, but I don't want to have to watch the video to the end or watch the video to this part to find out say actually New York me there. You see me? So just reach New York. I'm about to get an Uber now. And then head to the Airbnb. I'm so tired, bro. Them bag there kill me. I see me with my gloves, put on my gloves. Because outside is 31 degrees. But yeah, I'm going to go finish up the vlog after I put on the gloves there. See, so forward. New York, bro. Oh, you know me there in New York, watch out. Out of the cold. But you know, a good man can be prepared. Make sure I carry my gloves, my thumb, marina, one thermal long sleeve underneath, and my sweater. You see me? Oh, yeah, shot. Then I New York, cause yeah, man. So I know enough people they think say when I say I'm leaving I'm there to talk about Jamaica. Soon still, soon. But I'm going to spend some time this side before I go back a yard, you know? As many don't come that side, really and truly. But oh, we get an Uber. We get an Uber to carry we go, which part we are going to New York. You see me? So, this is how we are going right now. I know yes, I'm going to end the video still. Just grab the Uber and then leave, go which part we are going. So, yeah, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the next video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, have a great time.